My name is Steve Kowal, and my project is entitled Controlling a Garage Door with a Smartphone. How am I controlling a garage door with a smartphone? It begins with this. This is an Allen Bradley Slick 500 PLC rack. And what I've done is I've wired a relay contact across the button for the garage door opener. So when that relay fires, it acts like the button on the clicker is being pressed, thus opening the garage door. Here's where the PLC gets controlled. It's a PC running advanced HMI, an open source human machine interface software that uses Allen Bradley's own DF1 serial driver. And what it's doing is it's communicating with the PLC through an RS-232 serial connection. What I'm doing is I'm using a remote desktop application to actually log in to that PC running advanced HMI on my phone, thus giving me the ability to control that computer with my phone and therefore my garage door. Now I also have an indicator to show when the garage door is open. This is being done with an RF transmitter receiver pair. The way it works is that there's a transmitter in the garage. When the garage door opens, the transmitter sends a signal to the receiver here. When the receiver gets that signal, it puts that signal at the control input of the solid-state relay on the right. The solid-state relay output is connected to a digital input card on the PLC. The reason I'm using a solid-state relay is because the receiver only outputs about 2 volts, and my digital input card needs a nominal 24 volt input. So the relay is just being used to draw that signal up to 24 volts by putting it in series with a 24 volt supply. Here I am in my garage. The way the transmitter works is that it uses those 2 read relay switches on the right. They're on a normally closed contact so that when they make contact with each other, it will open the connection. When the garage door opens, the normally closed contact will close, therefore allowing the transmitter to send the signal. The transmitter is up on this shelf, and it has that very long antenna. That's because these transmitters are really meant for line of sight, and having a cinder block wall in between kind of messes with it, so I needed a pretty long antenna. Now, on my phone, you can see the indicator on the top. It's dark now because the garage is closed. When I open the garage, the indicator lights up. Now the indicator is on because the garage is open. When I close the garage, the read relay switches make contact, opening the connection and shutting the indicator off.